What up, everyone? Here's how to vote on an AIP or an ApeCoin Improvement Proposal and have your voice heard in our decentralized autonomous organization. Step 1. Go to Snapshot and log into your ApeCoin DAO account. You can head over to apecoin.com and click on Proposals. This will take you to snapshot.org in the ApeCoin DAO section. On the top right, connect a wallet to an account holding at least one ApeCoin. You can use MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, and more. Step 2. Review the AIPs. The current AIPs available for voting will show up as active. All the ones that are closed for voting will show up saying closed. Browse through the proposed ApeCoin Improvement Proposals thoroughly and read and understand each one to make an informed decision. Click on one of the proposals and it's going to show you an abstract, which is a summary of the proposal. Click Show More, and then you'll also be able to see a link to the full proposal in the forum. Click that. It'll take you out of the snapshot website into the forum where you can see more details on that proposal. Step 3. Place your vote. Click For, Against, or Abstain to cast your vote. Once you click Vote, it's going to confirm your choice as well as how much voting power is going to be allocated to this. And then you have the option to share your reason, which others can see after you make your vote. Hit Confirm. MetaMask will pop up. You sign it, and your vote is in. Step 4. Celebrate your participation. Let others know what you voted on and encourage others to look into the AIP for themselves. Your vote matters and contributes to the decision-making process of our DAO. Thanks for being an active member of our community.